Mad Bad Brooders was asking about what was the best thing to clean knives, and I came up with one. What I've been testing out earlier, my camera wasn't working well, unfortunately, so I didn't have the original test video. So what I've done, if you can see, is use a mixture of grease from my fingertips and cigarette ash to create a greasy, messy hat on the hologram part of this blade. Now, to clean, one of the best things for a blade is ethanol. Now, to get ethanol in the UK, it's a pharmacy job. However, the easiest way to do it is to use cheap, yeah, aftershave, because it's ethanol. It dries quickly and with just a bit of tissue for a quick wipe after spraying it on. The blade is once again spotless. Now, another tip for you on cleaning, although I can't show this one, to prove it was aftershave, personally I don't use aftershave normally, so I had it and it was a good test piece, but you could use any aftershave. But the second tip, for your laptop screens, your LCD screens, TV, laptop, monitor, for your desktop computer, tower system, what's the best thing to clean them? You can't use alcohol because it can damage the LCD itself. The best thing to use for them is unfragranced, cheap baby wipes. What you use for cleaning a baby's bum when they've messed the diaper or nappy, they work excellently for cleaning screens. They don't smear, it's only the slightest bit of moisture what comes off them, and that works well. At another time, I'm going to be demonstrating another trick. For those of you who don't like using harsh chemicals in the kitchen, a little bit of baking soda and vinegar. You've seen the effect it has in baking soda volcanoes from school science fairs, because almost every time somebody does a baking soda volcano, white vinegar and baking soda, that is exactly what you need. Both these items are cheap. You tap out a little baking soda onto a cooker top, and then you pour white vinegar on it. This fizzes up. The acidicness of the vinegar pushed into the deep grease. Also, the fizzing action loosening the grind. You still need to put effort in. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than the kind of chemicals that your find at kitchen stores, Walmart and places like that. The fumes from them, you've got to notice how a lot of them make you feel ill. Unfortunately, although the technique will work on an oven, the top and the sides will be very, very difficult to do, because getting that mix on the surface is impossible. Thanks for your time, and see you soon.